Okay, Nana. So, linear polynomial graph I have explained in part 2. Now, I am going you to explain class 10th maths polynomials part 3. So, what is here topic here now? Graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. Graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. So, quadratic in linear, what I told, linear is nothing but first degree equation. Linear is nothing but degree 1. Linear equation will have with degree 1. Quadratic equation will have with degree 2. So, a second degree equation we call it as a quadratic. Second degree equation we call it as a quadratic. So, here we are representing graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. So, how will be the graph of the quadratic polynomial? So, quadratic polynomial, so general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. So, linear ko vachesi graph etla vachindi manaki itla straight line lo vachesindi avuna. So, in quadratic how the graph will be? In the quadratic equation the graph will be in the shape of a parabola, whether it may be upwards parabola or it may be downwards parabola. This is U shape. It may be upwards or it may be downwards. So the graph of a quadratic polynomial is in the shape of a U shape. This shape we call it as parabola. The shape of a graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. Parabola shape we will get on the graph. So now we will take one example and I will explain you how the graph, how it will come for us. So I am taking as example y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So y equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. This is the example I am taking to draw a graph of a quadratic polynomial. So to draw a graph, what I told, the main important thing, what is it? If we want x comma y coordinates, we want x comma y coordinates. So x is choice of us, y is already given in the equation form. We want x comma y values. We want x comma y values, our wish. Our own values we can take for the x. So I am taking minus 1, I am taking 0, I am taking 1, I am taking 2, minus 2 and 4, 3, your wish. I am taking minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 2 and 4. These are the values of choice of x to me. So first I am finding here. So choice, if x equal to 1, we have to substitute here. X equal to minus 1, if we substitute, we get the y value. We have to place here. Then we get x comma y coordinates. Then we get x comma y coordinates. First one will substitute here. If x equal to minus 1, then what is the y value here? If x equal to minus 1, y value is nothing but. So minus 1 whole square means minus 1 whole square means minus 1 is multiplied for 2 times. 1 1s are 1, minus into minus plus. Minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Minus into minus plus. 3 1s are 3, minus 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4 minus 4. How much, Nana? 0. 4 minus 4 how much? 0. If I substitute minus 1, I got y value as minus 1. Here x comma y coordinates are minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. We'll see next second case, x equal to 0. X equal to 0. I am substituting in y equation to get the y value. So y is equal to 0 means x place we have to place 0. So y is equal to 0 minus 3 zeros are 0 minus 4. So what is the answer I got here as minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. If I substitute 0 in the x place, we left with only minus 4. Third condition, we will substitute here 1. X equal to 1 if we substitute, y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. If I substitute 1, what is the answer I got as minus 6. So what are here coordinates I got here? 1 comma minus 6. 1 comma minus 6. So we will substitute in the same way. Fourth one will substitute in the same way. X is equal to 2. X equal to 2. Then what is the y value? X square minus 3x minus 4. Y is equal to 2 square. 3 into 2 minus 4. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Left with minus 6. If we substitute 2, I got as minus 6. So 2 comma minus 6 is the answer. In the same way, take for the minus 2. Minus 2 means you will get as 6. So minus 2 comma 6. Substitute 4, you will get 0. So 4 comma 0. These are the coordinates of x comma y coordinates. Then we have to draw the graph. We have to draw the graph. How we will draw? First we will check Nana. So what vertical axis is called as? What I told you, vertical axis we call it as a y axis. Horizontal line we call it as a x axis, y axis, y dash, x dash. The intersecting point we call it as origin. Intersecting point we call it as origin. Now we will write the numbers on these number lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Down. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So these are the values I plot on x and y axis. Now next what we have to do? Whatever the xy coordinates we got. What are the xy coordinates we got? We have to plot on the graph. We have to plot on the graph. So what is here? First value minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. X is minus 1. Y value is 0. Y value is 0 means on the axis. So minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 we plot it here. Next 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. X is 0. Y is minus 4. Where is minus 4? Here. Next 1 comma minus 6. X is 1. Y is minus 6. So x1 is here, y minus 6 is down. Straightly we have to plot here. So this is 1 comma minus 6. Later on 2 comma minus 6. X is 2, y is again minus 6. So plot it. Next minus 2 comma 6. X is minus 2, y is 6. So go for this right and plot here. Minus 2 comma 6. Next 4 comma 0. X is 4, y is 0. So this is 4 comma 0. Now check the points. Here is the point. Here is the point. Here, here, here and here. So join the points with the line only. No need of using the scale. So how the graph we are getting? See Nana. So like this I got. Is it clear? So which shape I got the graph here? U shape. That is parabola shape I got here. What is the shape of a quadratic equation? Parabola shape I got the graph here. Next, after drawing like this, next what is the main important point? What I told, to draw a graph we want the scale. Write the scale on x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, now so like this we have to draw the graph of a quadratic polynomial. So you may ask the doubt, teacher, you took 6 values of x. Can I take 4? Can I take 5? Can I take 10? That based on your, okay, that is based on you. So what you have to take? You have to take at least 4 to 5 values to draw the quadratic polynomial graph. Is it clear? This is the graph of a quadratic polynomial.